Hi all, in this video we would be covering Matrix server installation and how to check the performance of the pods. So let's get started. So this we have three node cluster, one master node and two worker nodes. Let's see the configuration first. Before I do that, I'll just clear the screen. So you can see it's all latest version, and then we would see uh, we will install the Matrix server. For Matrix server, we will go to the URL, this one, this particular URL that's mentioned in here, uh, this one. And just a sec, let me change the recording area. So this is the URL from where we will be installing the Matrix server. We will be using kubectl apply and then use it. So this will create pods as a serve, and it will deploy this thing, the Matrix server. So let's see where we see that. So if we see here in the cube system namespace, we see the Matrix server pod installed. And if I go in here and say so here also you could see we have one deployment, which is the Matrix server, with the help of which it got installed, and we have a replica set, one replica set with one pod in it. So let me clear screen, and if I go in here, a top nodes, it will say the Matrix server parameters are not available. It will throw an error. That was reasonable, so I will just show you why it comes up and what we need to do to fix it. So I will pause the video here. I will just uh, make some changes. I will show you what changes prior to making, and then we will see like what's the result one when we use this command. Okay, so I'm back. So what we're going to do is we would be editing the deployment file for Matrix server. So I will not be making any changes, but I will just show you like what we're gonna do. So in here we will run this command to edit the deployment cube ctl-n cube system, that which is a namespace, and edit the deployments. Then in here we will be then traversing through the containers. So we will be just moving down, or you can search it as well. So in here we will be adding few commands by copying it from here, from one of the URLs. So just a sec. We would be using these three commands, right? These ones, and we will be placing that into these three commands. We will be using this in this particular section. We will just save it. So this has been edited, this particular thing. uh, and after that we will just wait for a few minutes and it will start populating the performance or the utilization of the nodes and the pods. It will just track the parameters and the performance patterns. It's still not there, but it will come up. Just give it a few minutes. I will pause the video till then. So we are back. So I had to restart the kubelet, and if you see, it has started giving the results. If I run the kubectl top nodes command in the same way, if I go in here, okay, and instead of nodes I type pods, and in all namespaces it will show you the matrix. Okay, now we can also see, if I go in here and I will type show hyphen labels. It won't. Okay, it's into the get pod. Just a sec. So here you will see the labels along with the pods what are there. So in case we have to just use or sort with the uh, with with the parameters and the labels, we could just find it out. We can sort it by CPU or memory. So if I go in here, top pods hyphen hyphen all hyphen namespaces, then I will just use the label which says tier equal to control plane, and then I will use sort by equal to CPU. So if you see here, it has sorted out all the pods uh, which are labeled as tier equal to control plane, and it has given which of the pod has the highest CPU. And in the same way, you can use it use a parameter with a sorting pattern with memory, and it will give you the appropriate results. So this is about the performance. Only thing is that whenever you are loading the metric server, you need to edit it. I will paste all the URLs or the internet links in the section of the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.